Often, we get overwhelmed by the sheer number of cables around us. This is chaotic, frustrating, and dangerous. Introducing Desk Cable Management Tray that lasts you a lifetime and solves those problems for you. Why this is truly the best choice to make? The open design prevents the trays from gathering dust. Good airflow keeps surge protectors and power bricks cool. Cables can enter and exit anywhere alongside the tray. You can easily fix your surge protector to the outside of the tray. It can be mounted to any wood surface, MDF, or particleboard desk. Inside the box, you will find everything you need. A clear installation guide is available on the back of the box. Start here. Use a paper knife and cut out the template on the dotted line, and place it under the desk in alignment with the desk edge. Drill pilot holes through the marked template holes. Each tray comes with the highest number of screws per tray available on Amazon to provide maximum support for the heaviest loads of up to 6.6 pounds. You are now ready to insert all your cables, power strips, and power bricks. There are 4 ways to install your tray: facing the front of the desk, facing the back, on the overhang of the table, and you can even mount it to the wall. Warning: this cable tray is not suitable for honeycomb-filled tabletops because the screws will not hold. The cable tray is spacious, and it can hold a bunch of cords and cables. It's available as a single set, set of 2, and set of 4. Go and choose the best one for your needs.